This is familiar. 6 months out from project completion and nothing seems to be going right. The builder is becoming difficult, the project is running late, and the CEO is not pleased. How did this go so wrong? Yet it started so well. You had an idea. Not just any idea, but a great idea. You just needed a team to execute the plan. It was the sort of project that made you love going to work. So you research the best ways to deliver. You call in your team and you lay it all out. By the time you come to tender, you really believe this is a great project to be delivered. Life is good. At tender, the good vibrations continue. You meet the builder and secure the funding. He's got the resources to deliver, and he has a plan of work that promises to achieve the project. You do the deal. You check the pricing and the cash flow. It's all good to go, and life is grand. But then doubts creep in. Questions haunt you, and no amount of coffee and analysis, reports, or emails will prevent you from worrying. Everyone assures you this doubt is normal, it's part of the job. You go to most project meetings with the opening question, are we still on target? In response, you get a diagram of all the people involved, all the things to consider. It was a yes or no question, but the builder's response sounds like a legal investigation's about to start. This is the petri dish in which conflict is born. Conflict that will sap the life force from every stakeholder. It will steal the enthusiasm you've worked so hard to inject into the project. Conflict and lack of trust is the beginning of substandard practices and attitudes. It doesn't need to be this way. We have developed a set of techniques that work best with D&C contracting that maximise performance whilst minimising contractor risks. Full disclosure, we didn't invent this technique, we found it. We researched what consultancy behaviours resulted in the least amount of conflict, highest profitability, and greatest customer satisfaction. What we discovered is detailed in this downloadable report. Where permitted, we have practiced these techniques and found that they unerringly led to compliments for us from both the developer and the builder. You'll be able to deliver this project on time and with confidence. Building on the success of this project, you can look out and see over the horizon what the next project will be. And in your back pocket, you'll have the tools that get what you want without the conflict and aggression you've observed elsewhere. It's not magic though. These techniques require a high level of engagement and commitment from you and the stakeholders. You'll be distracted by important matters, but despite those pressures, you'll be able to remain confident in project delivery. These are the 4 cornerstones to the successful project. Don't be fooled. These techniques may seem familiar to what you already have, but they're not the same. What's missing in your existing contracts is the extent of your involvement and the management of an audit trail from your idea to the finished built outcome. By reading this report, you can imagine for yourself how you would deliver the projects you've got coming up and how to go about it.